Come on, Amber. Come to my finger. Oops. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Hi guys, I'd like you to meet our budgies. So this one, I'd like you to meet Amber, the most friendly among the 4 budgies. So at my back, the green one is Flounder. The blue one, white and blue, is James, and the white one is Cindy. So actually, they are already 4 months when we purchased them. So the only budgies, the only bird that I can touch and my family can touch is Amber. Actually, also we can put our finger to Cindy and Flounder. And for James, the light blue color actually is new. So it's just already 45 days, I think, when we got him. So yeah. So the 3 of them, the first 3 is already 4 months here in our place. So actually they are not in their cage, they are flying around our room here. So I'll catch Amber. Amber! Flounder! Oops! Oops! So here's Amber. Amber. My little daughters wants always to play with Amber. See? Yeah. Oh, come on, Amber. Okay, see? Look at Amber. It's not showing anyway. I will just show you our 4 little budgies. Okay. Here's Amber. She like staying at the swing. Come on, Amber. Come to my finger. Oops. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Say hi. Okay, go back. Yes. And this is now Flounder. Flounder. Hi, come to my finger. Oops. Come, Flounder. Okay, and this is Cindy. Oops. Cindy. Cindy. Yeah, Cindy. Come. Come to my finger. Yes, very good. Very good. Come. And this is what I told you, James. James is still afraid to us. See? Even if I put my finger next to him, he will flew away. Cindy. Yeah. They all love to swing on their nest and here in the triangle stand, and also Amber wants always to stay in that swing above. So next time I'll just show you my bird stand setup. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on our next video.
Dapat mag-fly everywhere.